What's up guys, Kuya Lib here. So for the second episode of All About Mathematics, we will be discussing two things. First, the union of sets. Second is the intersection of sets. So first, let us define union of sets. Union of sets. Given two sets A and B, the union of these two sets is the set that contains the elements or objects that belong to both sets A and B. So, yan guys. Feel free to pause the video. Feel free to pause the video if you wanted to take down some notes. Okay. So for this episode, I will be giving you 2 to 3 examples. So first, so madaling sabi guys, yung union of sets. For example, may dalawang set. Ang union ng dalawang set is simply i-merge mo yung pagsamahin mo yung dalawang sets, yung element ng isang set tsaka yung element ng isang set, pagsamahin mo, yun lang yung union of sets. So for this example, so here guys. So for the set A, there will be the elements of set A is odd numbers, and the elements of set B is even numbers. So the union of the two sets said earlier that the elements of these two sets must be combined. So for that, gagawin lang natin is i-combine mo yung dalawang sets. Set A, which is has the elements of odd numbers, and set B na may even numbers ang elements. So for the i-merge mo lang yung dalawang sets guys. So write all the elements of these two sets into one set. So isusulat mo yung elements ng dalawang set sa isang set na lang. So this will be the answer guys. This will be the union of these two sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for the next example guys, Kuya Leb, what if yung dalawang set may common element sila? Do I have to write it both or isahin mo na lang? So for that question, let's take this as an example, okay? So for that example guys, so for the set A, the elements of set A is 3, 5, 7, 9. The elements of set B is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 10. So how do you unite two sets with common elements? It's like this, the 3 and the 7. So what will be the answer? The answer to that is copy all of those elements. Then this 3 and 7, do not put 3 and 7 twice, okay? Just once. So pag isusulat nyo na yung union ng dalawang sets na ito, ang isusulat nyo lang is isang 3 tsaka isang 7. There's no need to write both of them because it's common eh. So yun. So the answer will be like this. See? There are only 1 3 and 1 7. So if that's the case, both sets have common element, isusulat nyo lang yung isa. Isa lang yung isusulat nyo. Kasi common naman eh. So ganun lang guys. So for the next topic guys, we will be discussing the intersection of sets. So first, let us define intersection of set. Intersection of two sets which contains all the elements that are common to both the sets. So, yan. So, madaling sabi guys, for example, may dalawang sets ka. Then those elements of the elements of these two sets have common elements. Therefore, if may common elements yung dalawang set, yun yung intersection of sets. For example, these two sets. So for set A, the elements of set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For set B, 1, 5, 7, and 11. So, for these two sets, the intersection of these two sets will be the element that is common to both set. So, yung elements na common sa kanilang dalawa, sa dalawang sets na ito, sets A and B, yun yung intersection ng dalawang set. So, for example, let's find the common elements. So, si A, may 1. Si B, may 1 din. So, lagyan natin dyan 1. Si A, 3. Si B, walang 3. Hindi natin susulat. Si A, may 5. Si B, may 5 din. So, common sila, susulat natin. 5. Si A, may 7. Si B, may 7 din. So, therefore, common sila. Si A, may 9. Si B, walang 9. Si B, may 11. Then si A, walang 11. So, ganito yan guys. This will be the answer. The intersection of sets A that has an element of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B that has an element of 1, 5, 7, 11. The intersection of these two sets will be 1, 5, and 7. So, yung elements na common sa kanilang dalawa, yun yung intersection ng dalawang sets na ito. So, this is the answer guys. So, for set I, has an element of 1, 5, and 7. So, common. So, madaling sabi guys, if you are asked to find the intersection of two sets, then just simply find the common element. Hahanapin mo lang yung common element sa kanila. So, just like the example, the common elements of sets A and B is 1, 5, and 7. So, yun yung intersection of sets, guys. Another example. So, for this example, may dalawang set na naman tayo. Sets A and B. So, for set A, the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8. And for B, 2, 6, 10, 12. Now, we have to intersect these two sets. So, let us find the common element. Si A may 2. Si B may 2 din. So, susulat natin dito. 2. Common sila eh. Si A may 4. Si B, walang 4. Yun natin susulat. Si A may 6. Si B may 6. So, isusulat natin siya. Kasi common sa dalawang set. Si A may 8. Si B walang 8. Si B may 10. Si A walang 10. Si B may 12. Si A walang 12. So, for the intersection of sets A and B, these are their common elements. 2 and 6. So, this is your answer. Now, Yeleb, tanong ko lang, what if yung dalawang set is yung dalawang set ay walang common element? So, the answer to that is, if yung dalawang set is walang common element, the answer to that is that their intersection is a null set. So, coming back for the first episode, a null set is an empty set or a set that has no elements. For that one, this. For set C, the elements of set C is 1, 2, 3. The elements of set D is 4, 5, 6. Now, may makikita ba kayong common element ng dalawang? So, since walang common element sa kanilang dalawa, ang intersection nila is a null set. Or, this symbol, or yung bracket na walang laman. So, ganito yan. Null set, guys. So, review tayo, guys. So, for the union, ang keywords dyan is combine, merge, or the collection of all elements of the two sets na mag-union. So, for the intersection, it is the common element of two given sets. For the union, combine, merge, collection of all elements. And for intersection, the common element of two given sets. Now guys, I will be teaching you the sign of union and intersection of sets. That one. So for the sign of union, U lang siya, guys. And for the intersection, U siya, pero nakabaliktad. So ganito. So this is the sign of for union, and this is the sign for intersection. Okay? So for the first one, there will be two sets. So, paano basahin ito? Since this is a union sign, pagbasa nito is the union of sets A and B. Ganun na. The union of sets A and B. Now, for this one, the intersection of sets A and B. So, ganun, guys. So, yun lang, guys, for this episode. The union and the intersection of sets. So, tune in for the next episode. Please do like, share, and subscribe this video kahit papano makatulong sa mga nag-online class ngayon na nasa high school. So, thank you guys. See you on the next video.